Companies are shrinking. For decades, building a serious business required teams, departments, managers, specialists, large payrolls. AI is changing that structure. One person can now do the work of many. Today, one individual with AI tools can write, design, edit, automate, research, market, analyze, and publish. Tasks that once required entire teams are collapsing into software. The one person company era has started. We are entering an economy where individuals can operate like miniature corporations. Small, fast, automated, global. AI reduces operational friction. Most companies exist to coordinate labor, but AI reduces the amount of labor required. That changes everything. The cost of execution is collapsing. In the past, launching something required designers, writers, editors, marketers, developers, assistants. Now, AI dramatically lowers the cost of execution. Speed is becoming a superpower. Large organizations move slowly. Meetings, approvals, layers, politics. Meanwhile, AI assisted individuals can move instantly. That speed compounds. Small teams are becoming more powerful. The future may not belong to giant organizations alone. It may belong to lean operators, small AI assisted teams, highly automated businesses, infrastructure owners. Efficiency is replacing headcount. AI is becoming your digital staff. AI tools are starting to function like research assistants, editors, designers, analysts, marketers, customer support, production teams. Not perfect replacements, but force multipliers. Individual output is exploding. One person can now produce daily content, digital products, automated workflows, newsletters, online education, software tools, marketing campaigns at a scale that was previously impossible alone. The internet rewards leverage. The modern economy rewards systems that scale digitally. A video can reach millions. A template can sell repeatedly. An automated workflow can run continuously. AI increases the speed of creating these systems. This changes who can compete. In the old economy, scale required capital. Now, scale increasingly requires systems, distribution, AI leverage, speed, adaptability. The barriers are falling. Stop thinking only in terms of employment. Most people still think in terms of jobs. But the new economy increasingly rewards ownership and systems. That requires a different mindset. You are no longer limited to your own output. Traditional work tied income directly to personal labor. AI changes that equation. Your systems can now continue operating even when you stop working temporarily. That's a fundamental shift. The most valuable skill may become coordination. The future advantage may not come from doing everything manually. It may come from coordinating tools, automation, AI systems, workflows, audiences, and digital assets. The operator mindset becomes critical. The new winners build systems. The people who benefit most from AI may not be the people who consume it casually. It may be the people who organize it into economic infrastructure. The transition will disrupt many industries. As individuals become more capable, some traditional roles may shrink, not because humans become useless, because fewer humans are needed for the same output. Most people will underestimate this shift. Major technological transitions often look small at first. Then suddenly, industries change, expectations change, hiring changes, business models change. The AI transition may follow the same pattern. The early operators have an advantage. Right now, most people are still experimenting casually, but some are already building automated businesses, AI assisted brands, scalable digital systems, personal infrastructure. Those advantages compound over time. The future may favor small, fast, automated operators. The next economic era may not be dominated solely by massive companies. It may also belong to highly leveraged individuals. The one person company era has started. One person, AI systems, global reach, automated leverage. There is no longer theory. The infrastructure already exists. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when the next video is released and you won't miss one. Thanks for watching.